Welcome to the new video. Hope you guys are doing well. Today we study essay on inflation, which is very important topic nowadays. So let's start the topic. Inflation. Inflation is defined as a rise in the price of goods in a country that reduces the purchasing power of its citizens. Inflation is not altogether absent from any economy. Inflation crisis springs in a country. There are multiple kind of inflation. Number 1, demand pull inflation is caused when the demand for goods and supplies exceeds the supply available. As result, the price go high. Point number 2, inflation in the crabgrass in your savings. It is another type of inflation in which excessive printing of currency notes also causes inflation because in it the available currency does not parallel with the supply available. International debts also push a nation to increase the price. Conclusion. When these phenomena reaches a high stage, price touch the skies. Factually, Pakistan was reported to have to seen the highest inflation rate in the whole world in 2022. Conclusively, inflation is the important part of the economy. It's need to be regulated. If it remains unregulated, dreadful causes impact and economy of a country. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. If this video can help you, so kindly like, comment, share and subscribe.